Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about the chapters integers, which is a class 7 topic for maths. So what are integers? Whole numbers and negative numbers together form a bigger collection. But do you know what are whole numbers? Whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Only when your basic definitions are clear, you will be able to understand the definitions. So now when we come to negative numbers, what are negative numbers? By the name itself we understand negative numbers are minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So both of them together form integers. If this definition is clear, anytime you get a question, you will be clear of what number to be chosen. One more question which I forgot to include was what are natural numbers? One which does not include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and whole numbers includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's move on to how to represent integers on a number line. Integers are a form of whole numbers and negative numbers. Keeping on the right hand side the positive numbers and on the left hand side you have the negative numbers. So here I write down 0, 1, 2, 3 and this side I write down minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So right hand side you have positive and left hand side you have negative. Now in this highest integer will be 3 and the lowest will be minus 3. Why? Because the number which has minus will be the least. Now we will go to a question like minus 3. Is minus 3 bigger than minus 1? No. Minus 1 will be bigger than minus 3. As and when it moves more to the left hand side, that number will be the least. As it moves to the right, that number will be bigger. If such basic concepts are clear in the mind, then it will be easy to arrange numbers in ascending order without drawing a number line. For understanding, I am drawing a number line on the basis of these numbers given. On the right hand side you have until till 2 and then on the left hand side you have till 8. So draw as the number is given and you will get to know how to arrange it in ascending order. Now as I told you, the least will be, ascending means smallest to big. So the least will be the number which is on the left hand side at the last. So minus 8, minus 5, then comes 1 and then comes 2. Now let's express minus 6 as the sum of negative integer and whole number. Now I told you what is a negative integer. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And you have to even use whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So you should get the answer as minus 6 when you add up negative integer and whole number. Your answer should be minus 6. Now let's make a column of negative and a whole number and you have to get the answer 6. So the negative integer I take it as minus 6 plus 0, you get minus 6. Likewise you can use many integers and the sum of a negative integer and a whole number should be of any number you choose, like minus 7, minus 8, anything as you wish. This is the basic understanding for integers. If these are clear, the word problems will be easier. Now let's show 2 plus 5 on a number line. Now 2 plus 5, you directly don't jump on 7. Instead of that, you go from 5 plus 2 or 2 plus 5. As I told you, it is 2 plus 5, so you will take from 2. If it was 5 plus 2, you will go from 5. Now let's add 3 to 2. So you add from 2 and 3. So you get the answer 5. Now likewise minus 1 to 4. So when you draw on a number line, you draw the negative integers and positive integers. Now minus 1 to 4 means from 4 you will go to the left hand side, because minus 1 is a negative integer, you have to move to your left. So that means from 4 you're going to your left hand side. That means me moving minus 1. That will be 3. Things to keep in mind: when you add two negative signs, the product will be positive, and when you add one negative and one positive, the result will always be negative. In the next video, I will go through the word problems. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Topper Math. Thank you.